Thank you so much, sir, for the words of welcome. At the continent is influenced by several major climate systems. The North Atlantic Current, a warm current that brings mild temperatures to the eastern coast. The Pacific Ocean, a source of moisture that influences the western coast. The Gulf Stream, a warm current that influences the southeastern coast. North America is home to a rich and diverse culture influenced by its history, geography, and people. Indigenous cultures. The continent has a long history of indigenous people